Welcome to the Omni CMS video tutorial on galleries. Galleries are a specific type of asset that allows you to create a collection of images. These can be displayed in two different styles, a carousel, aka slideshow, and a grid of thumbnails. The carousel style rotates through images and includes an optional title and description to display above the image. Grid-style galleries are displayed as a grid of thumbnails. When clicked, the image is opened in a modal-style carousel with the same options. To create a new gallery, click the Content dropdown in the top navigation and select Assets. To add a gallery, click the New button or the drop-down arrow to the right of the New button and select Image Gallery. Enter a name and a brief description about the asset. We suggest that you name assets with your site name _ title. For example, your site name _ big red _ gallery. Under access settings, we recommend using your site group to limit access and prevent others from editing the asset. In the gallery options, there are options for thumbnails and an advanced field. In this first example, we are going to create a carousel style gallery, so these can be left blank. Click Create. After the asset has been created, a new images section will appear with a location to add images to the gallery. When creating a gallery, it is important that all your images be the same width and height. Galleries with varying size images can cause accessibility issues. We recommend using a width of 1,200 pixels and cropping the images to all have the same height. Add the images either by clicking the Upload button and selecting them from your computer, or by dragging and dropping them into the area. More than one image can be added at a time. Once an image is done uploading, you will have access to new fields. Each image has the option for a title, description, caption, and link. The title and description are optional. These display over the bottom of the image in the carousel style. The caption is required. This is the alternative description used by screen readers and other assistive technology. An optional link can also be included. It must be a properly formatted URL. This link will open when the image is clicked in the carousel style. Enter a caption for every image and complete any other fields desired. Once complete, save and publish the gallery so it can be viewed in production. Adding the gallery to the page is the same as any other asset. See the Assets training video for details. Save the page to preview the carousel gallery. To create a grid-style gallery, repeat the steps from before and return to the Gallery Options section. To use the grid style, thumbnails and advanced options must be included. A gallery's asset will automatically generate thumbnails from the full-size images uploaded. These are used in the grid style, where you can also control the number of columns in the grid. Visit the example site to determine which thumbnail size is recommended for the number of columns and content area where the gallery will be added. Use the code generator available on the grid gallery page of the example site to generate the thumbnail size and code to copy and paste into the advanced field. There's also a thumbnail style option, which adds extra space and a border around the grid thumbnails. Return to the asset and enter the thumbnail size. Preview the size and select an aspect ratio. We recommend using the crop option in most cases. In the advanced field, paste the code from the code generator to use your selected options. Save the gallery and publish. Insert the asset on a page and preview the new grid style gallery. When ready, save and publish the page. If you have questions or need further assistance, contact the ITS Service Desk at 270-745-7000 or visit wku.edu/its/contact. For examples, best practices, and other helpful information, visit wku.edu/omni-cms.